World Population Day, July 11. As per the increasing population and related factors, the United Nations Organization from 1989 onwards decided to celebrate the World Population Day. July 11th is observed as the World Population Day as it was on this day of 1987 that the total world population crossed 5 billion. The world population is the total amount of people living in this earth. The main aim of such a day was to inform people about the issues of this increasing population. According to the latest information, the total world population as per June 2021 is 7.9 billion. The latest information makes the point clear that the people are not aware of the issues of increasing population, though July 11th is celebrated as World Population Day. Those years that has passed makes one thing very clear, that the increase in human population is an inevitable truth. India and China are the most populated countries in the world. The total population of China and India is 1.44 and 1.38 billions respectively. The total population of China and India contribute to 36% of the total world population and 67% of the total population in Asia. According to the information, in 2020, the population of China is 59 millions more that of India. According to the increasing the rate of human population in India, the margin between the two countries seems to be decreasing. It is also said that by 2027, the total population of India is going to be much more than that of the population in China, which is 1.47 billions. At present, the growth rate of China is 0.39 and the total rate of human population in India is 0.99%. Besides the destruction caused by the pandemic COVID-19, which lead many countries to lockdown, the total world is looking upon to deal with the phenomenon called baby boom, and also the world is aware of the population explosion. The present human population of 770 crores is expecting to be increased to 970 crores in 2054 and 1100 crores in 2100. The growth rate is related to the total amount of people reaching the age of reproduction. According to the increasing rate of human population considering India, this day called as the World Population Day is very important. Beyond the increasing number of people, the more important factor is that the world should be filled with people who are responsible and valuable. Let's hold our hands together for such a human population and our good future. Thank you for watching our video. For more videos, subscribe to our channel and also don't forget to like, share and comment.